Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the new earphones and TWS announced by AIWA in India. So back in the 1990s, AIWA was one of the really popular brands out there in terms of music systems and other music accessories. But after that they actually completely vanished from the market, and now they're back in India, and this is a new AIWA earphones announced. They are both neckband earphones, true to wireless earphones, and true wireless earphones with ANC. So all of them are announced. So we're going to talk about these earphones and see how the performance is and what all features it offers. So we'll be doing a quick unboxing, and we'll showcase what all the products they have announced in India. So we have three of them. So this is AIWA AT-X80E. It's a TWS earphone. It's the budget TWS earphones, and you get the earphones here, and you can also see that the amount of charge level is available here. Ergonomic design, a seamless automatic pairing, wireless 5.1, high definition audio quality, and this is the AT-X80E earphones, and you can see that supported Bluetooth protocol is A2DP, HSP, HFC, and AAC and SBC is the codec supported. Working time is about 6 hours, and transmission range is around 10 meters. That's kind of standard for all the TWS. Then battery capacity is 38 mAh and 200 for the charging box. So this is the AT-X80E. Then we'll come back to the earphones while unboxing. So this is the premium one, AT-X80XFANC. This is the, as the name indicates, it's the one with active noise cancellation. You can see again ergonomic design, intelligent noise reduction, wireless 5.0, touch controls for managing the music. And here also you can see here AAC and SBC are the codec, and noise reduction is around 23 to 25 decibels, and charging time earbuds is 1 hour, charging time case is again 1 hour, transmission range is again 40 meter, battery is 40 mAh. In fact transmission range is 10 meter, 40 mAh battery, and 500 mAh charging box. So that's the second one. This is the one with ANC. So this is priced 7,999 in India, and you also get the neckband earphones. So these have quad drivers, so 2 drivers on each of the earbuds. So quad driver, hyper bass. Then you get the option to take calls. Vibration alert is there. Then you also have a support for SD card, so you can directly play music from the SD card on the earphones. You don't need a phone at all. So quad driver, hyper bass, wireless neckband earphones with haptic vibration remote, microphone, and micro SD MP3 player. That's kind of pretty unique functionality. Then you get all these functions mentioned here. So that's the earphone. So you can see here what all functions it has: a multi-function key, mic for hands-free, control keys, haptic remote, haptic vibrating remote. Then you get the SD card slot here, adjustable wire holder, then neckband and flexible cable. So you get 3 additional pairs of ear tips, a small, medium, and large, charging cable, and the storage pouch is also included. Premium quad speaker driver neckband earphones. So everything is mentioned here. So that's the 3 earphones available. So let's first start with the neckband. We'll talk about all those earphones. So you can see here this is the box package, quite a neatly arranged box package. Then you get these options. So you can see here these are the earphones, the neckband earphones. So let's just take this out. So there you go, you can see pretty well arranged. Now what else comes inside the box? So let's have a quick look. You can see the accessories mentioned here. So you get additional ear tips, 2 of them are there. Then you get a case as well, or rather you can call it as a pouch for carrying the earphones. Then you get the manual, the option to what all functions it available, that is mentioned here. You can also see that SD card support is there. Then apart from that, what else? You can see that's it, warranty information. So these are the options available in the box. So let's just talk about the earphones. So these are the earphones. You can see here the multifunction button to pair the earphones to power on, and you can see volume up and down key. The build quality is kind of okayish, I would say, kind of okay. The main fit and finish, you can see the matte finish here. Then this kind of flexible, and you can also see the ear tips. We have the quad driver, two drivers available here, and you can see that here the build quality feels a bit too plasticky in nature, not the premium kind of earphones, but still it's kind of okay. Now these are quite good in the ears. We tried this, it is quite comfortable as well. Now you can also see that AIWA branding here. Now here you get an option to insert the SD card. So there you go, you can see there is an option to insert the SD card. So just when you insert the SD card here, it starts playing from the SD card. So it acts as a kind of MP3 player. That's kind of very handy feature to have, especially if you are listening from SD card. So this is the charging slot. So this is the micro SD card, micro USB charging slot, in fact not the SD card, micro USB charging slot. Then you can also get the AIWA branding. The build quality looks quite okay, and sound quality was kind of okayish, even though they mentioned hyper bass. The bass was kind of very low on these earphones, but the quality was kind of okay. I mean, probably the earphones are priced 2,999. For that price segment, we felt the earphone quality was quite okay, and not exceptional sound, but still acceptable. But the bass performance, even though it was mentioned higher bass, we didn't see that kind of higher bass here. So that's the neckband earphones, and you can see that these are the ones priced at 2,999. Now moving on to the ANC one. So this is the AT-80XFANC one. So let's just open this. So you can see these are the TWS earphones with ANC. They are priced at 7,999. You can see that there is a USB Type-C port at the bottom, AIWA branding, and if you open, you can see the earphones. So these are the TWS earphones. There you go, that's the earphones. So just taking this out, it's kind of lightweight. It's a glossy finish, and you can also see that AIWA branding here, the charging port at the bottom. And the build quality feels quite okay. You can also see the ear tips. You can have the interchangeable ear tips. So those are the functions available. Then here you can see that the sound quality was definitely better, much better than the neckband one which we discussed right now. But here you can see that the bass quality was also good. All sound performance was quite okay, and the noise reduction was kind of okay. Again, for 8,000 price segment, we feel the pricing is slightly on the higher side. Some of the features which are missing are the auto wear detection. The wear detection is not there, so you have to, even when you are removed from the earphones or remove the earphones from the ear, the music playback does not stop. And here the build quality of the case is kind of okay, but again not a very premium looking one, although we feel AIWA could have done slightly better in terms of the build quality, especially this being a premium earphones. So that's the build quality, and the sound output is kind of okay. It definitely has a very high volume, and the comfort levels are also quite okay for these earphones. So what else comes inside the box? You get the case, the manual, and additional ear tips are also included. So you can see here 2 additional ear tips are there. Then you get the charging cable, which actually is a very standard charging cable, and the manual included. So that's all inside this box. So these are the true wireless earphones with noise cancellation or active noise cancellation, and they are priced 7,999 in India. Now the third product is a budget one. This is 1,999 pricing, that's 2,000 rupees, and AT-X80E is the earphone. So let's just open this. So here you can see that it's more of a budget one. So this the build quality itself says more of a budget one. You can see here 38 mAh battery and 200 mAh capacity for the charging case. Again, there is no USB Type-C, there is micro USB, and the case quality feels kind of average at its best. You can see that the mechanism isn't that impressive. You can also see that the earbuds looks quite okay. These are similar ones we have seen on a lot of earphones. So you can see that once you keep this, you can see that there is an indicator for the charging. So you can see that AIWA branding, and the amount of charge left is also included here. So you can see that battery capacity, you can measure it, and these are kind of okay. Here the build quality feels much better. Here it's kind of matte finish, and once again the sound quality is kind of decent. We wouldn't say anything like class leading, but these are kind of decent experience in terms of the overall sound quality. Now you also get a charging case and the manual included. So these are the earphones. You can see that they're quite comfortable in terms of wearing, and the material quality also looks quite decent. But again, you can see that there are touch controls available here. They're not touch, actually press kind of controls. You can see here. These are the controls available. So these are the 3 earphones announced by AIWA in India. What we have, although there are 5 earphones announced, these are the 3 ones we have. The AT-X80E, which is priced 1,999, and it's an entry level earphones, TWS. Then we have the neckband earphones, again with quad drivers, hyper bass. This is priced at 2,999, and we have the AIWA X80XFANC. This is priced 7,999. These are with ANC, that's more expensive one. So these are the 3 ones we have, and these are available on Amazon as well as Reliance. So you can get these earphones from Amazon, and also if you want to get it from offline stores, they are available in Reliance stores. So that is the hands-on with the 3 earphones and TWS from AIWA. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.